Hi, friends. I have been getting a lot of questions lately on how to access your patterns. Like sometimes you buy patterns 6 months ago and you can't find the link or, looking through your email. So I just wanted to show you an easy way to find them. So what you're going to do is go to my homepage. You're going to click on this little person up here. And when you click on this, it is going to prompt you with this screen. So whatever email you used to purchase the patterns, you're going to, if you did it through shop, you can hit continue with shop. But if you didn't, let's just say, so I'm going to put my email in here. It's going to do this. It's going to email you a code. So it does this in lieu of a password. So I'm just going to enter the code it sent me. All right, so it sends you that. It emails you a verification code. You plug it in, and then these are just examples that are in my account, but you'll see your orders. You'll see everything that you've purchased before. So if you click on this one, for example, you'll see here, download your files here. And when you click on that, you'll be able to hit download. There's the PDF, you hit download. So that is the easiest way, I think, to access all of your patterns that you've purchased in the past. So as long as you're logging in with the email you used to purchase them, then this will work just fine. So let me know if you have any questions, but I just wanted to share this because I've gotten a lot of questions about this lately. But this is definitely the easiest way to access them. All right, y'all have a good day.